Ask, believe, receive. Is it that simple to achieve? Sure, a plant turning into a seed doesn't make sense, but it is good enough to lead all those directed to complete. So bear with me as I grow down to my feet. After all, isn't that where we're supposed to be? But I can't help leaping my way through life. It's a beautiful thing. I am bendable to the universe. I surrender to the force. I reach my purpose while the secret reaches me. Ask, believe, receive. Ask, believe, receive. But what if what I ask for isn't what I really need? How do I control my greed and distinguish it from fear? How do I know what's real if the opposite lives within my bones, telling me what I should see, what I should feel, how I should breathe, who I should be? Ask, believe, receive.
Pidi, Kere, Ricibi.
Pidi, Kere, Ricibi. Tão acto cometi, pa força não transmiti. Ao comida distingui lo que ta destina for di lo que ta apropia. Lo que ta batalha plania for di lo que ta. Duna-me um braço e pone-me cinta. Duna-me guia e ajuda-me biba. Energia. Energia descobrir. Energia proibir. Energia dirigir. Energia sobreviver. Pidi, Kere, Ricibi.
Pidi, Kere, Ricibi.
É parte da família tradicional, banda da família real. É parte de minha vida sexual, banda de minha vida espiritual. É parte de minha missão, banda de minha profissão, e a razão de meu coração guardar para dentro acordar-me quem me tá e que um dia me tá batassa. É força talagami, com nada outro de logra que decidir. Oh, você ajuda-me. Ask, believe, receive whispers from where scars are healed and lips are sealed. Don't feel weird if it comes down to a frown. It's only bound to happen if you feel threatened. Use your weapon to protect them. It's just like the Love and Light segment explaining vibrations. Here we go. From plant to seed, we conceive. 1, 2, 3. Ask, believe, receive. So what is it really that I'm trying to portray? It doesn't make sense, but let's do it anyway. If only it were that simple, the key word is critical. I am a realist, simply because I do believe people can fly, mainly because I will not prove it to you. So what do? Float on until our wings become attached to the places where they were left behind, only to find that true life lies in the corners we design? What a crime! What a waste of our time! We need to realize true life lies inside. I know that sounds cheesy, but it's so easy, and the fact that we're not there yet is creepy. What does it say about us? Enough with free choice! This is a must!
Was in 2005.
Tengo un mundo yang aku maldad mi que tapo y que te cos correcto ting es tan rope